Welcome to the Natural Heritage and Biosecurity chapter of the State of the Environment report. In that report we talk about biosecurity and pest control, and we talk about the natural heritage of New Zealand. The region is home to unique flora and fauna, and our job is to look after that. We're here at Totara Reserve to explain some of the things that are going on here. Possums are a serious threat to the region's economy and environment. Economically, possums consume pasture and affect farming, and environmentally, possums consume forests and predate native birds and animals. This is an example of possum damage in native forest here, where the possums have eaten the bark on the tree. Horizons undertakes possum control both in sites like here at Totara Reserve, but also across the entire region with a view of suppressing possum numbers down to a more sustainable level. We estimate that the region has a carrying capacity of around 4.5 million possums, and the Horizons possum control work brings that down to about 1.6 million possums at the moment. This first trap is a Tim's trap, and it's designed to kill possums and ferrets. The second trap here is a DOC 200, and that is designed for killing rats and stoats. In the State of the Environment report, we've identified that only 22% of the region remains in its indigenous forest cover. Totara Reserve is one of the most outstanding examples left in the region of our lowland forests. Weed control involves mostly killing environmental weeds which impact on the native forest, stops the forest canopies from growing very well, and smothers the forest floor. Other climbing weeds such as old man's beard, that's an issue out here we're getting on top of. It's an issue for the whole region, and it's talked about in the State of the Environment report as to what parts of the region are being affected and how much of an issue that is. One of the aspects of living heritage most severely affected in this region has been our wetlands. Ashurst Domain is an interesting place because it has its own natural wetland, but the wetland itself has also been extended through community group efforts. Wetlands remaining in the region has risen from 2% to 3%. This is mostly because we've taken the time to spend a lot more time looking for wetlands, and in fact we've discovered more than what we thought were left. What people can do to help Horizons with biodiversity and the preservation of the region's natural heritage is to really be involved in its conservation and looking after it. Things that we should avoid is moving pests around, particularly pest fish, and even goldfish could be a nuisance at times. Other things people can do is, if they think that they're going to impact on a piece of native forest, they should come and see us first and talk through with us.